So what do you do for a living?
I work at Arizona State University. I'm an enrollment coach. I work at Arizona State University.
Yeah. Is that your real voice?
Yes, it is. Steve,
I was just working at Arizona State because I like to talk in baby talk.
That's how I sound when I'm on the phone.
Because I need a man that likes baby talk.
Oh my God.
Baby talking.
What about you, Jericho?
I am a software trainer by day, and then I'm an aspiring actor by night.
Is that your real voice?
Yes, it is my real voice, Steve.
Okay. It don't sound like he ate a small person. And he in there going, help me. Help me. You see me in here? Steve, you see me? Get me out. He ate me. You see me? Help me. I missed all of what you said you did.
That's all right. That's okay.
Hey, Andrew, what do you do?
Hi, I am a registered nurse for the
That's
Little
your
Rock
real
School
voice?
District. It is my real voice.
Jesus.
It is. And I think it sounds fine, but it's mine, so I don't know what it sounds like, but I love it. You don't like it?
Oh, I love it. I like cartoons, though.
Yeah, you ain't gonna get out.
Hey, Eddie, how you doing?
How you doing, Steve? How you doing?
I'm good. Right, just take your voice down one octave. How you doing?
I'm just fine. I'm doing everything just fine today. That's that same
boy, boy, you got settled down, Eddie. What do you do?
I'm an aircraft electrician for one
No,
of
that ain't what you said, Eddie. You said you act like a crack. I don't know if that was a crack pot or a crack head, but you said I act like crack. You caught yourself. Tyrone.
Yes, sir.
Richard, how you doing, man?
I'm well, how are you?
Good. What do you do, sir?
I'm a legal compliance analyst for LB Global Law.
Well, first ass smack we done ever had on Family Feud. So what do you do for a living, Tyrone?
I'm a legal compliance analyst for LB Global Law,
Yeah.
defining the business of law.
Is this his real voice? 'Cause I'm Tyrone. I'm defining the global business rules of law. I'll be here all afternoon. I'll be answering these questions to the best of my ability and knowledge. I'll be here all day. How about that, Mom? Hey, Frank, how you doing? What do you do for a living, Frank?
Well, actually, I'm in school right now. I am doing actually the ROTC program. So once I graduate, I will be an Army officer. Before that, I'm actually an entertainer. I worked at Disney. I toured in Europe, all of America.
Oh, yeah, I hear.
Can't
you hear?
Yeah.
Hi, folks. How are you today? Hi, I'm in the ROTC program. I'll be here all week. Hey, come on in, kids. Hey, welcome to Disney. I'm your entertainment for the day. Oh, I heard. Nicolette, one answer left. You can clear the board. You got no strikes. Grandpa discovered Grandma was cheating when he found the other guy's what under the bed?
Glasses.
Glasses, Steve.
Do you use baby talk a lot?
It's just my voice. I can't help it.
What was your answer?
Glasses.
Oh, no, don't try to. Oh, glasses. Glasses. Lance, what do you do?
Well, hey, how you doing, Steve?
Okay.
Well, he'll introduce himself first. Well, I'm a full-time...
Wait, hold on, Steve. Hold on. Before you just go find off into what I want to do. All right, Lance, how you doing?
Good. How about yourself?
Everything. What you do for a living, Lance?
Well, right now I'm a professional student, Steve.
Why do Lance sound like he 85? Angie, tell me an animal that probably snores when it sleeps.
A cat.
A cat. A kitty cat. Can you guess what I do in my spare time? You don't recognize the voice? Big boy.
Just dial 1-900, I'm alone. That's 1-900, I'm alone. And let's just talk it over. Meow.
Your ass on YouTube. Your whole damn family on YouTube. Your whole damn family gonna be on YouTube. This about to be on YouTube.
I'm gonna end up on YouTube.
Oh my dear gracious.